Let's start by covering how to actually open a Robinhood account. In my last tutorial, we did this from scratch with a brand new account, but here's an overview of the steps involved. First, you'll want to visit ryanoscribner.com/Robinhood or click the affiliate link down below, as this will get you a free stock when you sign up. The free stock is worth up to $200, and you get to choose your free fractional share from a list of 20 leading American companies. After clicking the link down below, this will bring you to a sign up page where you'll create your login, and this is what you'll use when you download the Robinhood app. On the next screen, you can click the button to be redirected to the App Store, or you can go there yourself and simply download Robinhood. Go ahead and install Robinhood and open the app. You'll then sign in with the same login details that you created earlier, and this will start the account opening process. Now, Robinhood is required to collect certain information from you, and this includes your address as well as your social security number. Your trading activity will be reported to the IRS, and they will supply you with the tax forms at the end of the year, and we're going to cover Robinhood taxes later. The next step is to answer a series of questions about your investment experience. They will also ask you about your employment, as well as a few insider trading related questions that are required to open any brokerage account in the US. The final step is to review and agree to the tax certification, stating that you entered everything correctly. After that, your application is complete and under review, and it usually takes just a few minutes to get approved. And they'll email you if they need any additional information.